This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. Fold out the locking lever from the battery negative terminal clamp and disconnect the negative lead. Release the clips and remove the supply box cover from above the battery positive terminal. Slacken the clamp nut. Disconnect the positive lead from the battery and position the supply box to one side. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery retaining strap. Then lift the battery out of the engine compartment. Be careful as the battery is heavy. If fitted, disconnect the vent pipe as the battery is withdrawn. Refit the battery onto the battery tray and connect the vent pipe if fitted. Refit the battery strap and retaining clamp. Tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive supply box lead to the battery terminal and tighten the clamp nut securely. Connect the lead to the negative battery terminal and fold in the locking lever, securing the cable firmly onto the post. Always reconnect the positive lead first and the negative lead last. Smear petroleum jelly on the terminals after reconnecting the leads to prevent corrosion. Refit the cover onto the battery positive terminal.